Alright everybody, we're back. Today it's going to be good old sausage balls. We always make them right around the holidays. We enjoy them when we watch football. We like them as a hors d'oeuvre or an appetizer for holiday meals, all that good stuff. And this is the easiest, simplest thing anybody can make. I'm sure everybody's made them or tried them. If you ain't made them, you've ate them, I'm sure. So, went to the store today, could not find my hot sausage that I always use, so we're gonna jazz it up a bit. And you just need a big shitload of cheese and some Bisquick. And let me get all this stuff ready to go and we'll be back. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna dump our sausage into a bowl. And I've never used this brand sausage before. And I can't tell that it's got any sage in it, so I'm going to add a little bit of that as well when I go doctoring on it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to make two separate batches. I'm going to make one pretty hot and the other is just going to be mild. So let's get all that mess out of the way. And we're starting with 2 cups of Bisquick. Dump that in there. Ooh. Okay, I've got sausage hands, y'all. I don't want to get the cheese all funky. I'm not going to measure this. I'm just going to approximate a couple of cups. This takes a lot more cheese than you think it would. Now, since this is going to be kind of mild, I'm not going to add this just yet. Let me get some more gloves on. And I'll start mixing. Don't worry, I'll fast forward this. Oh, and by the way, this is going to be our 33rd video, I think. We're trying to maintain a decent production schedule, so we had to hire on a new crew member. And wait right back. If you guys will wait just a second, I'll be right back and I'm going to go get her. This is Layla. She's in charge of security. I'll say, hey. She's an Aussie doodle. Meaner than a damn snake. Me and Rose both have the scars to prove it. If you look at my face, she thinks I'm a chew toy. Okay, I'll be right back. Come on now. You are so mean. Are you mean to me? Don't bite the camera. Come on, you're hell on shoestrings, ain't you? Quit. Okay. And yes, I washed my hands. So basically we're going to get in this and get it all stirred up and nice. It's going to get a little dry, and you kind of want it dry. Because once the oh God, well, what I was going to say is, if it's too moist, the cheese kind of, when it melts, it runs away in the pan as they're baking. So you kind of want this stuff dry. That's the only way I can put it. And it's kind of hard to judge till you get to a certain point. And you just want to keep incorporating all that cheese and all that Bisquick in there. Because as many times as I've made these, I still wind up with one sausage ball that's just about just pure sausage. And if you don't have all the stuff incorporated, it's really greasy. Yeah, we're getting somewhere now.
Bread dough. Yeah, we're getting there now. And honestly, I guess one of the reasons I'm going to make some of this mild is, you know, with a puppy in the house, she's kind of our taste tester. And I don't want to light her up. I'm sure she'd be fine with it, but I just don't want to clean up the mess afterwards. You know, puppy stomachs are kind of fragile. I don't know, Rose, what do you think? Does it need anything else? Does it need more flour? Or Bisquick, I mean?
I don't know, this is your thing here, not me. Just saying.
Shit.
Huh.
Okay. I'm gonna do one clean hand and one dirty hand. Here. So I'm gonna add a little sage. Damn, come on. Yeah, this doesn't even really smell like sausage. Now it's starting to. And then as you go, you'll kind of figure out whether you need more cheese, and I think I do. Trying to one-hand this. Shit. Yeah, you can't have too much cheese, I promise. Alright. Yeah, I got slammed everywhere. See, now that smells like sausage, a little bit of sage. Alright, I think that's pretty good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pinch off a lot of this for some mild ones. Maybe a little bit more. Okay.
Okay, guys, we're back. I'm filling up my pan here. And as you can see, I'm not rolling them into balls. I like the little jagged corners because once they heat, they kind of go down anyway. But I like the little jagged pieces myself because they brown and they add a little crunch. So basically all we got to do now is stick them in a hot oven. And these are the mild ones, by the way. Alright, we'll be back in a minute with some dipping sauce. Alright, sausage balls are baking away. We're going to go ahead and make our little dipping sauce. Basically what I got is some Japanese mayo. We're going to give it a good little squirt. About a teaspoon of mustard. Shot of garlic. And some hot sauce. Should get it a little bit. And you know what it needs? About a little bit of pepper. So we're just going to give it a quick stir. Get that garlic in there. And basically, you got a good little dipping sauce. Let's give it a taste. Ooh. Ooh-wee. Got a good little bite too. Alright, we'll be back when we're ready to take them out of the oven. Alright, these bad boys are out of the oven. And you see all the nice little jagged crispy bits. That's why I don't roll them. We're ready to give this thing a taste test. And you see they got all nice and brown on the bottom. These things are still hot. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Huh. That tastes like Christmas. Or football. Super Bowl. Whatever. Oh my God, these are awesome. One more bite. Got all over it. Damn. I've got an apple. Well, anyway. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. I'm talking with my mouth full. They're that damn good. Anyway, guys, we'll be back next time.